So what is our subject name? Environmental studies. ENVI, RON, MEN, PAL, STUDIES, environmental studies. What is the subject name? Environmental studies. Okay, you must on your videos, all the children first. Godige Harish, Charan Tej, Krishna Samira. Okay, see children, already previous class I gave feathered friends. Feathered friends hard words. Okay, so today also I will continue these hard words, children. Previous class I gave only some of the hard words. Okay, children, you take out of your running notes and continue that hard words. Did you understand, children? Phone matladu. Hard words. Difficult words. Okay, previous class I gave difficult words, children. Now you write continuously that hard words. Okay, children, so you must take out of your running notes, all the children, and look at the board. All the children read and write. Okay, okay, see first one, you can write continuously, children. Okay, materials, 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 materials. Okay, and next write straw, 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 straw. Next, opening, opening, OPENING. First letter always starts with capital letter. Okay, see children, here I am written capital letter on first letter M. So you also write capital letter. First letter always starts with capital. Next write lower, LOWER, LOWER. Outer, 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 outer. Okay, right, next one, edge, 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 edge. Next, right, next one, bunches, bunches. Read and write all the children. Chennoju Charanchari. Bunches, 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 bunches. Okay, bunches. Next one, right, chipping, chipping, CHIRP, ING, chipping. Next, write next one, children. You continuously write these hard words, children. Write next one, communicate. Communicate. COMMUN. Communicate. 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 Okay. And next one, call. 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 Song. 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 Single. Right, next one, single. Nemat, you first on your video. Next, write single. 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 Sound. 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 Okay. Right, next one, bridges. 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 Squeak. Right, next one, squeak. 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 Okay. And right, next one, repeated. Right, repeated. 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 Next, series. Right, next one, series. 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 Okay. And right, next one, migration. Read and write all the children. Okay. Channoju Bhavana. Right. Series. 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 Okay. Next, migration. Migration. Okay, write again, edge. What happened? Write again. Edge. 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 Okay, write next one, migration. 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 Next, write distance. 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 Okay. Next, escape. 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 Okay, children. Right, next one. Parne Harshit, you must on your video first. Parne Pranit Reddy. Kamampati Harshad. Money. First on your video, all the children. Your in charge teacher will take attendance. Okay, escape. ESCAPE. Read and write all the children. Escape. Next write extreme. 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 Okay. And next write conditions. 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 Kamampati Umesh. Sit in one place and write. Don't roam here and there. Conditions. 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 Under. 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 Okay. UNDER. Under. Right, next one. Shortage. 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 Charantej, read and write. I can see you all the children. So you must read and write. SHORTAGE. Shortage. Okay. And write next one. Reproduce. 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 Right, next one. Movement. 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 Okay. MOVEMENT. Movement. And write next one. Season. 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 Read and write all the children. Season. Region. 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 Okay. Next, empty. 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 Space. 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 Okay. Space. Next one, write old. 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 Okay. Write fast and write neatly. Don't write spelling mistakes. Next, write roof. 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 And write next one, sewing. Sewing. S-E-W-I-N-G. Okay? S-E-W-I-N-G. Sewing. Nomula Vishwagnan, you are not reading. Read and write. S-E-W-I-N-G. Sewing. Okay? Hollow. Next one, right? Hollow. H-O-L-L-O-W. H-O-L-L-O-W. Okay, children? Write fast. Okay, children? Stop writing all the children. Already I sent pic in your group. So all hold your hands. Hold your hands, all the children. Sadia, Umesh, Ishwar, Manupriya. Hold your hands, all the children. Okay? You first read the hard words. Look at the board. Difficult words. Which lesson hard words these all are? These all are Feathered Friends hard words. Feathered Friends lesson hard words. Okay? Read all the children. First, materials. Read all the children. Material. Second time I read. Okay? First time I am reading and you continue the second time. Materials. Materials. Straw. Straw. Spelling also here I am reading. S-T-R-A-W. Straw. Read second time. S-T-R-A-W. Straw. Opening. Opening. O-P-E-N-I-N-G. Opening. O-P-E-N-I-N-G. Opening. Once again read. O-P-E-N-I-N-G. Opening. Lower. Lower. L-O-W-E-R. L-O-W-E-R. Lower. Outer. O-U-T-E-R. Outer. O-U-T-E-R. Outer. Panne Harshit, you are not reading. Kanishka, Panne Harshit, Sadia. Stop writing, I said. First, fold your hands. Look at the board. Okay? Edge. E-D-G-E. Edge. E-D-G-E. Edge. Bunches. Bunches. B-U-N-C-H-E-S. Bunches. Read Sadia. B-U-N-C-H-E-S. Bunches. Yeah, very good, Ritika. Kenepalli Ritika. Chipping. C-H-I-R-P-I-N-G. C-H-I-R-P-I-N-G. Chipping. C-H-I-R-P-I-N-G. Chipping. Yeah, very good, Manupriya. Rumeza. Next, communicate. Communicate. Read all the children. Vishwagnan, Nomla Vishwagnan. Stop writing. Look at the board. Hold your hands. Communicate. C-O-M-M-U-N-I-C-A-T-E. C-O-M-M-U-N-I-C-A-T-E. Communicate. Call. Call. C-A-L-L. Call. C-A-L-L. Call. Song. S-O-N-G. Song. S-O-N-G. Song. Single. S-I-N-G-L-E. Single. S-I-N GLE, single. Sound, SOUND, sound. SOUND, sound. Bridges, BRIDGES, bridges. BRIDGES, bridges. Squeak. Read all the children. Squeak. SQUEAK, squeak. SQUEAK, squeak. Repeated. 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 Series. SERIES. SERIES, series. Okay, children. Next, migration. 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 Distance. DISTANCE. DISTANCE, distance. Escape. ESCAPE, escape. ESCAPE, escape. Extreme. EXTREME, extreme. Adnan, you are not reading. EXTREME, extreme. Conditions. CONDITIONS. CONDITIONS, conditions. Under, UNDER, under. UNDER, under. Okay? Very good, Adnan. Next, shortage. SHORTAGE, shortage. SHORTAGE, shortage. Reproduce. REPRODUCE. REPRODUCE, reproduce. Vaishnavi. Akula Vaishnavi, sit properly. First read. Next, movement. MOVEMENT. MOVEMENT, movement. Season. SEASON, season. SEASON, season. Okay? Next, region. REGION, region. Chennoju Bhavana, read. REGION, region. Panne Harshit, Pranit. Empty. EMPTY. EMPTY, empty. Space. SPACE, space. Old, OLD, old. Roof, ROOF, roof. ROOF, roof. Sewing, SEWING, sewing. SEWING, sewing. Hollow, HOLLOW, hollow. HOLLOW, hollow. Okay, children? Shall I read again? Shall I read one more time? Okay. So now I am not reading spelling, children. So first time I am reading, you continue the second time. Okay? See, look at the board first. Sit properly. Hold your hands. Bodige Harish. Pranit, you are not sitting in one place. First you sit one place. Umesh. Okay. Look at the board. Materials. Materials. Straw. Straw. Opening. Opening. Lower. Lower. Outer. Outer. Edge. Edge. Bunches. Bunches. Chipping. Chipping. Communicate. Communicate. Call. Call. Song. Song. Single. Single. sound, sound, bridges, bridges, squeak, squeak, repeated, repeated, series, series. Next, migration. Mani, Rajput Ishwar, Nematullah Beg, you must on your videos. Migration, migration, distance, distance, escape, escape, extreme, extreme, conditions, conditions, under, under, shortage, shortage, reproduce, reproduce, movement, movement, season, season. Okay, next, region, region. Manupriya, you are not reading. Region, region, empty, empty, space, space, old, old, roof, roof, sewing, sewing, hollow, hollow. Okay, children? So these all are fifth lesson hard words. What is the fifth lesson? Feathered friends. Okay, feathered friends. The lesson name is feathered friends. You okay? And the previous class also I gave hard words, and today also here I am given hard words. So you write total in your fair notes. First to fourth lesson complete after only you start the fifth lesson. And see here, fourth lesson. Okay, fourth lesson, animal kingdom lesson. These all are the pictures are there, no? Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and scavengers. So paste the white page side, or you draw also, not a problem. Did you understand, children? So these four types, no, eating habits of animals. So you paste or draw in white page side. So you have the lines and here have the white pages, no? So you draw here and write the heading herbivores and paste any two, not all the animals. Any two animals you will draw. Okay, children, did you understand? And after fourth lesson total complete after you start the fifth lesson. Okay, children, thank you. And if you have any doubts, you call me, I will tell you. Okay, how to write fair notes, and still if you have any doubts. Thank you, children.